Now I am giving specifications of latest mobiles. First one is Moto One Fusion Plus. Here we see the mobile specifications from Motorola. Now we are giving two mobile specifications. One is Moto One and next one is Realme. Now we see the Motorola One Fusion Plus red blue color. We see the mobile and specifications of mobile. Here we see the mobile now. Fusion Plus Motorola One H2S display. This camera is this model. Full throttle, 6GB RAM with Snapdragon 730G. Step up high resolution, 64 megapixel quad camera, quad pixel technology, 5000 mAh battery. Battery, 128-bit storage, expandable up to 1 terabytes. Next, the mobile is look like this. Flip up camera, front face camera. Is quad camera, twilight blue color. This is back look, 64 megapixel. This is top look. This is below one. Here they have given auxiliary port and type C. This speaker. Side look is power on off button, volume up down button. Here now we see the here MRP is 19,900 and in the Flipkart they have given 12% discount. So price is 17,500. Two colors are available, red blue and moonlight white. Here we see the highlights. 6GB RAM, 128GB internal memory RAM, 6.5 inch this one, full HD plus, not AMOLED, full HD plus, 64 megapixel rear camera, 16 megapixel front camera. Is 4 cameras of 8 megapixel and 5 megapixel and 2 megapixel each. Next, 5000 battery and processor is Snapdragon 730G processor. You see the Android 10 thing. Here we see the description. HD plus certified full HD plus display. Pix 6.5 Certified Vision. Next, Snapdragon 730G processor, multitasking and quad camera 64 megapixel. Here they were given ultra wide angle 64 and then high resolution and night version for 8 megapixel, macro version for 5 megapixel, depth sensor for 2 megapixel. Night vision, 5000 battery long up to 15 hours, 81 hours listen music up to 128 GB storage space. Hi-fi speaker is good. Pop-up selfie cam 16 megapixel, convenient gestures like quick flashlight and quick screenshot, quick capture. Stunning design is good. Next with the specifications. In the box they have given handset and 18 watts charger, and they have given cover and USB Type-C cable and SIM tools and guides. Features are 6GB 128 and then 6.5-inch thousand. These all are over. I have given some dual SIM is dual SIM, colored blue, hybrid SIM slot. This is hybrid one. Touch screen, OTG, single loudspeaker, sound value. Resolution is 2340 by 1080 pixels, maximum up to. GPU Adreno 618, display TFT, this one. Android 10, Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G, octa-core processor, frequency, all these things. Secondary camera, flash, SD recording, top type, pre-installed Bluetooth is 5.0 version. Audio jack is also there. SIM Nano. And here they are given width is 76 millimeter, height is 162, depth is 9.6 and weight is 210. Oh, weight is somewhat big, and it is 1 year. Okay, next we move to next mobile. Next mobile is Realme 7 Pro. This is mirror blue color. Here we see pictures. All given videos.
Hello, my name is Keshav and I'm your Flipkart Tech Pro.
Now we see the Realme 7 Pro mobile. Here the Realme 7 Pro. This one quad camera, Sony 64 megapixel quad cam, 65 watts supercharge, 6.4 screen AMOLED, super AMOLED screen. This one instant in-display fingerprint scanner, 3 cards on up to 3 card slot. This one, dual stereo speakers, night filters, 32 selfie, front camera is 32 megapixel, and processor is Snapdragon 720G, gaming processor. This one is back look, Realme 7 Pro, is 4 cameras, 64 megapixel and remaining 3 are there. The side look is audio jack and speaker mic, type C, is front screen, punch hole display, Super AMOLED, is blue color, finish is good. Next we see the specifications. Price is 20,000 price. RAM is 6GB, 8GB, 2 are available. We see the highlights: 6GB 128, 6.4 inch Full HD AMOLED, 64 megapixel and 8 megapixel, 32 is front camera, battery is 4500, processor is Snapdragon 720G, Super AMOLED, 65 watts charge. Next we see the remaining details. We see the description: 65 watts charge, Super AMOLED, 64 megapixel, quad cam, starry mode, night space with special features, macro lens, ultra wide lens, selfie cam 32 megapixel, dual stereo, 3 card slot like memory card and 2 SIM cards, mirror design. Specifications are: box contain handset, adapter, USB cable, SIM card tool and screen protector film, case and booklet with warranty card, 6.4 inch Full HD display, 4.5 all over. Next, blue color, dual SIM, Arduino chipset, Super Android 10 OS, octa-core processor, 2.3 GHz, internal storage 128, RAM 6GB, expandable up to 256GB, dedicated memory card. Video recording is 4K 1080 at 30 frames per second. User interface is Realme user interface based on Android 10, Realme UI. And here they given width is 74.3, height is 160.9 mm and weight is 182 grams. Somewhat okay, 182, not good enough. Yeah, another variant here. Here 8 GB RAM. This one. Here the another color is there. Sun-kissed leather finish on this one. Orange and white. Orange and white leather finish. This is 8 GB variant. This price around 22,000. Here also 3 colored options are there. Mirror blue and mirror silver. 8 GB also mirror blue is there. Okay, I'm closing the video.